this time it's about money again. Last time we did create the user money, and regions had an income per day. Now, at first, a user should also get, besides the money, he should also show up his income. So source user money is a saved column, and income is source money, and income is money per day value, and it's calculated from select sum of income from country where country dot owner is user dot ID. Okay, it's compiling. If I refresh the page, oh, of course I have to use the FOB language, fetch some income from country where owner is ID. It's a kind of simplified SQL language that is less chatty, because it is like the where, and the left part of where belongs to country, and the right part belongs to the outer expression. Okay, make fast. And refresh, and there I see yes, admin is making 14 credits per day, and Carly is making 12 credits per day. Fib is making 18 credits per day. Now, of course, the user list should be sorted. Table order user should be ordered by income desk. So the user with the most income is on top. Okay. Next one, I want to have my money, my personal money, like here in the top level. So I will have a description. So this top layout bar is called like heading or something. I will have to look it up. FOB backends easy editor layout. And there I have easy layout. Let's look into easy layout, and there I have easy enough. Okay, with easy enough I should be able to create navigation. Easy enough. Okay, easy file ID and title will result in easy enough. Write money to do how much money do I have. Easy enough in this. So for each file, do write this into the header. Make fast. And yes. Okay, to do how much money do I have? So now let's take a look at a mobile view. And on mobile devices it looks like this. Okay. So I think a direct feedback is really important to have, like, yes, to have the users motivated in the game. So I want to have the users money and the users income. So user column money will be money for the user, 0 for the first admin, and 0 for a guest, and same for income. Now I can say money echo, and now outlib types. There's a money type, and money has a a function print. Echo types money print for user, because we made it a user column. The user columns are directly loaded from the user data set. User get money, income, PHP echo types money print for user get income. Test it out. So, oops. Easy file, easy enough, write money, money's income. And it's crashing because money, the data type is money per day for the income, but also I did some syntax error. Error.log. And it's column not found, column income in database. Because in this case the user column income is a SQL snippet and not DSL. Maybe I should add a DSL version of this too. So I have to write in SQL. I cannot use the DSL language. Select income, sum of income from country, where country dot select country dot income, where country dot owner is user dot ID. So user column income me. Now, money is 140 and income is 14. Very good. And I should add a unit symbol, because print does not really print the unit symbol with it. So, credits and credits per day. Print money and income in header. If I log out, I will see like money is 0 and income is 0. If I log back into as user, I will see the money is 140 and the income is 14. Okay, my countries, yes, now they are sorted, and of course I should sum up the columns. So country, description, column sum. The user table will sum the money and the income, and the countries will also sum up their income. Description column sum country income. Okay. Now I have a sum of my income, so I can always, I can also filter for the names, and there I will have only the sum of the filtered ones, and I can look into the users list and I can sum up their money and income. Okay. Sum up values. Now, next task should be counting attacks, but my attacks, I only want to count those attacks who are scheduled. So even if I have 10 attacks, I want to only have 3 of them in the list. And for this reason, I have to add a new feature to the FOB core. So this will be maybe the first time I ever streaming a change to the FOB core. It's in attacks. Attack. There's the reminder, my attacks. Yes. And now I have data view reminder count attack. And I will only count those where status is 1. Now, FOB backends is editor data view reminder. This is the code for our reminders, and I first have to declare data view reminder count with 3 parameters, the first being the table, The second being the sub ID, so the ID of the reminder, so I can have multiple reminders per table. And the third will be the condition in SQL. So user column, and here there's the user column, and I have to somehow add the condition to this where clause. So I put them into brackets, and then if there's a fact data view reminder count, so condition SQL for counting. Oh, I have even a better idea. Instead of counting, I should select the sum. Data view reminder sum, and reminder sum. So instead of counting, I should select the sum of status equal 1. So if I have a battle that is with status 1, I will count it as 1 battle, and if there's a battle decided, I will count it as 0 battles. So with data view reminder sum, I'm even more flexible, so I can create like the number of employees, and half-time employees count as half employees, and so on. So if there's a data view reminder let's even make it more. No, don't think about it. I cannot resist. Okay, I will even make it more more general. So data view reminder aggregate. So if I have a data view reminder sum of table reminder ID and item value SQL, then it will be a data view reminder aggregate of table yes, sum ist gleich aggregate sum. Then I will do a reminder aggregate with sum of item value SQL. So, and now instead of saying count star, I will ask for, is there a data view reminder sum aggregate with table RID and aggregate SQL. If this is the case, I will render aggregate SQL, otherwise I will render count star. Okay. That's the code. I will copy it to this one. Again, copy this part of code instead of count star. Copy it, and go to this count star, copy it and go to this one. So oh, data view reminder sub aggregate. It must be a sub aggregate in this sub case. Reminder sub aggregate. So inventory. So to explain it again, the user column. So a reminder, what does a reminder do? A reminder is like a reminder on in the menu, and the table can have multiple reminders. So with reminder ID, then it has a title and a condition SQL, and it will spawn effect like select count star from the target table, T, where condition SQL, so it will count the items, write them into a user column, and it will add an easy menu badge with especially this user column. So this is expression user, this is rendering the user column into the menu, and then it will create a data view child, add the condition and set some access values, and this is basically it. So if I now see my attacks, there will be only 3, but when I click on them I see 10 of them, but only 3 of them are scheduled. So this is done too. So fix 10, only count undecided battles. I should do the same for upcoming battles. So there's a reminder battle upcoming, and this battle upcoming this upcoming battle list has a condition like date is greater than timestamp. I will change it to 1 and can say data view reminder sum battle upcoming. Now I can use the condition here. So let's build it. Now in FOB I changed this one, and I say commit message count customize count in reminder badges. Okay. Now in upcoming battles I see 1 battle, but if I click on these battles I of course see more than 1 battle, but the past battles are not shown anymore. Okay, that's cool. Upcoming battles only show no, only count upcoming battles, but show all battles. So, my dear fellow friends, that's it for today. Next time we will finally start with the auction system. So a battle owner, so an attacker and a defender have to get soldiers that will fight in their battle, otherwise they will lose the battle. So we're starting to create a fight system. So see you then.